tumble down the rabbit hole, furthermore down the abandoned track with Furthermore Jack. From the Twin Creek Railroad Bridge in Germantown, Ohio, to the abandoned spur bridge in metropolitan Dayton, Ohio. Enjoy the relics of the past. Sit back, chill. After a long, awkward day at work, grab a cool drink in hand and a cigarette. Perhaps after sex. Time travel with me and my super cool mom. See the things that will last hundreds more years. I know you're going to enjoy it. You know what's cool. Further down the track with Furthermore Jack. What is going on, everybody? We followed an abandoned rail line. We are about to explore a abandoned bridge. Mom's with me today. She got the keys. It's really interesting here. Some garbage cans over here. Somewhere this direction. It's beautiful out here. To the drill head here. Should be a bridge somewhere down in here. Fascinating. Appears as if he can walk along. It's gonna be pretty cool. Look, this old bridge is down here. Oh, there it is. I see it, guys. What a beauty. Beautiful out here. Wow, look at the wood piling. It's very nice. Got some kayakers. I see a kayaker. This is beautiful. Good to know, the little gems and sights to see. Let's check this out. You see where the water flow actually came up to at one time and delivered a bunch of wood, driftwood collections. It's outdoors party time. Party time, excellent. Super faded graffiti right there. EM2823. Someone put a fish up there. See it? That's funny. Look at that. Designing. Pretty, guys. Not every day you see it. Old bridge. Look at that wood piling. So a whole tree came down the river at one time and kerplunked itself right there. Let's bebop over here and see if we can wow, this goes back some years. Been a long time. Look at this. Tree shrooms. Tree shrooms. Some debris here and there. Oh, gee whiz.
Oh, that's a brand new one. Someone just lost that.
Ooh, look at that. Whoa. Wow, this is beautiful, beautiful. This little, there's an old access trail here for maintenance. Got my pants on. It's welcome to the jungle. Told you guys in Ohio it gets bad at this time of year. Not too many mosquitoes yet. Oh, look at this. We got a year plate. Wow, look at that, 1930. Still has the year plate on it. There is a bunch of poison oak, poison ivy. The ticks are starting to breed, so be careful. I'm gonna go to the top. Let's film it. Let's go to the top. The rails are still here, guys. Oh, that's so fascinating. No trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. That's true, they just don't want people to hurt themselves. So let's come right up to it. Oh, she's a beautiful bridge. Many years. Now, maps shows this as this is shown as an abandoned line, but I think the abandoned line connected to a still active spur that's a part of some industries up the line. Sometimes they open this fence up and actually do some runs. But there's another street bridge that I found interesting with the sidewalk you can go underneath. Thanks for joining me, guys. There's more to come. Check out what's about to happen next. You never know on Furthermore Jack. Taking it furthermore down the rail. Played it safe. I didn't go on her today. Yeah. Cool bridge. Let's take a slow shot this way, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, history sure is a beauty. It's a lot like the Alt Park Bridge used to look. And this altogether is probably about 30 years old, more. You know, probably since this bridge has been built. How much graffiti? They've been kind to this bridge. Yeah.
You can be easily seen from the roads that are connected to it, so good day to go fishing too. Beautiful spot. Okay, let's go. Check this out. What a beauty. Really interesting place. There's actually some graffiti over here. Let's go check this out. Here's the road bridge that's adjacent to this railroad bridge here. It is so peaceful. The water is incredible. There's actually some cool graffiti. Boy, it's really something. Look at the size of this piling on the more modern bridge. My goodness, it's big. Not a whole lot of graffiti. Something's up there that looks like it was scribble washed out. You can actually see the smoke from the fires that are going on up north. It's really smoky over here, especially as you get towards Dayton. You can see the haze. It's amazing. You can actually see smoke going through the air. It's so bad. That's what's happening in the news right now, is wildfires up north. Let's go check out this graffiti. Pretty cool, guys. Woo, woo. Nice bridge. Whoa. Here's the graffiti. We got a guy canoeing. HP 2012. Beauty. There's another 30-year-old wood pile. I am Todd Jeff Harriet, 2012. We got Bill and Dome. Okay. Oh yeah, we got one more bridge we're gonna check out. Let's get it on the road, baby. Let's get up in there. Let's go take a look. See. Let's take a look. Bebop on that way. Bebop-a-loo-la, she's my baby. There's some really old graffiti right here. Let's go up the gobbing, see if we can, hey Chelsea, found you. It was recently. You guys were just here, weren't you? Check you out. Hedger. Wow, I'm right up in the abutment on this one. Pretty cool. Alright guys, you also got your explosives. Beautiful. If you like what you see, smash that like button. Yo, making it happen. Hey, Get at your boy. What's with people losing sandals lately? You know what? Real truck drivers don't wear sandals. We are at a spot I followed further down the rail. It's in Dayton. It's a really fascinating older neighborhood, and this is an abandoned bridge. You've got to see this and check this out with us. It's going to be really nice. Oh, there's a guy in the tow truck over here. Okay, let's check this out. And there she is. Look at that bridge. Got a bunch of nice graffiti on it. Old one. There's a lot of dilapidated abandoned houses here in Dayton, we noticed. It's a lot like Michigan. I'm getting ahead of the game. Pretty cool. Wow, look at this oldie but a goodie. Wow, this may have been part of CSX at one time. Bunch of cool graffiti, even on the other side. Let's go ahead and give you guys a good view of the tracks up there. Alright you guys, one thing I'd like to take note of. This used to be a green bridge. A nice looking light green, you see that? It was almost like a peppermint color at one time. Beautiful. Alright you guys, just wanted to point that out. COVID is a lie. What's his Brask? Brask, I think? Crask. Siro. There's even, of course, someone that got up there and put smiley faces along its ribbing. She is a beauty. Well, it's a little trail. Maybe I can, maybe. Alright you guys, made it to the top and there's still rail. She is a beauty. Let's walk it. Come here. Look at these nice boards up here. Look at this. I made it to the top, kids. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Abandoned railroad bridge in the city. So cool. Ma! She's down there somewhere. I gotta be careful. I'm probably not supposed to be up here. Look at this cool graffiti. And it goes to furthermore into Dayton, their abandoned line. Wow. Again, I didn't think I'd make it this far. Hey guys. Cool flower in there. Look at that. Wow. Let's keep going. Let's make it across. Make this swift. Be real careful. Okay, you can be seen from that side of the road here, so I'm gonna go this way to get shots this direction. Look at that. Beautiful rail. Hey, this says something here. 13126 RE, Ohio, Carthage. Is that right? No. Something Carnegie, maybe. 1943. All right. We got the date, 1943. This is beautiful. It hasn't been turned into a bike trail. This is exactly how all the bridges should be, like nice walkable sides. See the siding? Tired of seeing bridges turned into bike trails. Let's keep the rails and make it walkable. All right, guys, thanks for joining. Maybe we'll make it furthermore down the rail. We will. There's a lot more to see, a lot more to come. And you can only find it here. Find it here on Furthermore Jack. Thank you for joining. Furthermore down the track. Man, it's so cool. There's a lot of shrapnel up here that could fall on cars. It's okay, I'm going back, guys. Let's film it. I'll show you how I got in here. But I don't recommend anybody do this. You can get in some trouble with a cut. Look at all these nails. Graffiti. Got all our signatures. Boy, they love this bridge. I love it too. Cross right here. Okay, guys. Around the sidewalk, and I ran up right there when the traffic cleared. I gotta get back down from here. All right, you guys. Stay tuned to the next episode. Stay tuned. Good things are coming. Furthermore, Jack.